Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet pocket. Just place your phone right in there like this, and then this goes around your shoulder or your arm. I made it with a G-hook medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. If this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link on how to do that down below as well. And if you're a beginner, there's a beginner stitches playlist. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to slip a knot onto your hook. I am going to do a chain of 85. So yarn over and pull through. Continue that on until you have a total of 85. In the second chain from the hook, you're going to single crochet 1 and then 2. So that one, go to the next one, insert your hook, grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You're going to continue on with all single crochets in each chain until you get to the end. Make them not too tight because this is your foundation. Work that until you get to the very end. Now this row, you're going to chain 1 and turn. Then in the back loop, instead of both loops, this would be both loops right there. Instead, you're going to go into the back loop. In each back loop, you're going to work a single crochet until you get to the end. Work that until you get to the end. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn and just repeat for a total of 14 rows. This is your second row. You'll need 12 more. Each time you turn your row, do a chain 1. You're going to make 2 of these so you can sew them together. So you're going to do this for 12 more rows. Just continue to the end, do a chain 1 and turn each time. So you have your 14 rows, you're going to yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to make 2 of these and sew them together. Any loose ends that you have, you're going to sew them in about 2 to 3 times to hide them and secure them. Okay, you're just going to do that. And then just cut your yarn when you're done. Do this for the rest of your loose ends. Okay, so you have your 2 panels like this. They're going to be pretty long, and you're going to connect them together for about 32. So I'm going to go in the back loop here and into the front loop here. Take a long piece of yarn about 1.5 feet, and then you're just going to connect it . 32 stitches. And just keep doing that until you have 32. So now we're on 3, and then 4, and then 5. You just keep doing that until you connected it for 32 stitches. Okay, so you have your 32, and you're just going to do a couple stitches to secure that stitch, and then you can cut the yarn. Okay, so right here, which is your 32 stitches, you're going to fold this. Make sure you count it up, your stitches all the way up to 32. It's right here, and you want to make sure that it's the correct amount. So you just take your back stitch, make sure it measures up, and you're going to do the same thing and sew it until you get to the bottom. So take your long piece of yarn and just go back and forth to sew it closed until you get to the bottom of this panel. Okay, you're just going to keep working that back and forth until you get to the end. Okay, so now you sewed it, this is open, you sewed this all the way to the end. Okay, make sure when you sew the bottom here that these are sandwiched side by side with it folded here and here, so it looks like this. You don't want it to have it look like this because then this won't feel right or look right. And now you're just going to close it. You just go through each stitch as though you're just sewing it with your yarn and your yarn needle, and you're using that tail, and you're just going to go through until you get to the very end of just sewing it closed. You do want to make sure this is as secure as possible because you'll be placing your phone in here. Just take that all the way to the very end. You're going to want to maybe go back to make it more secure, and then secure your ends by weaving it in and out a couple of times. So I'm just going back and sewing it again because I want to make sure this is as secure as possible so I don't have any loose ends or holes. You don't want your phone falling out. And where you started this, you're going to want to go and secure this as well because this will start coming undone. Now at this end, you're just going to fold it like a sandwich on both sides. Go down about 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to want to match it on this side. Go into both sides here, and then you're going to go through both of these pieces here and make sure they match up. So you're connecting these two together all at the same time. Take your yarn and pull it through, go back through this side, that side, this side, and this side, and you're going to sandwich it together. Keep doing this until you get to the top. Okay, so you have this secured, and this tail down here you're going to need to secure it by weaving it in and out a few times so it's very tight, and then you need to go through and sew the top. So you just sew these ends together, go back a few times so that's secure as well. And then you can go back through again. And make sure you have a long enough tail so you can do this, about 1 foot to 1.5 feet. And then just secure all of your ends. I really hope you enjoyed this crochet phone pocket tutorial. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.